When I pretend everything is what I want it to be, I look exactly like what you had always wanted to see. When I pretend I can forget about the criminal I am, stealing second after second just cause I know I can. But I can't pretend this is the way it'll stay. I'm just trying to bend the truth. I can't pretend I'm who you want me to be, so I'm lying my way from legends never die. Sometimes I feel like it's so hard for me to come up with shit to say. I'm at a loss for words, cause y'all already said all. I think I'm running out of cliche. Sometimes I feel like it's so hard for me to come up with shit to say. I'm at a loss for words, cause y'all already said all. I think I'm running out of cliche. Legends never die. They're written down in eternity, but you never see the price it costs. The scars collected all of their lives. When everything's lost, they pick up their hearts and avenge defeat. Before it all starts, they suffer through harms to touch a tree. Whoa, pick yourself up, guys. Legends never die. Sometimes I feel like it's so hard for me to come up with shit to say. I'm at a loss for words, cause y'all already said all. I think I'm running out of cliche. Sometimes I feel like it's so hard for me to come up with shit to say. I'm at a loss for words, cause y'all already said all. I think I'm running out of cliche. Legends never die. When the world is calling out you. Legends never die. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die. Conversion, software version 7.0. Looking at life through the eyes of a tire hub.